3 by 3.
Yes,
Yes, sir. I mean, just
at this level, you are going to be multiplying 2 by 2 matrices. Okay? So, let me tell you the rule of this multiplication. When multiplying matrices, we have what is known as a row by column multiplication. A row by column multiplication. Alright? So when I say A times B, A, B, C, D times E, F, G, H, you will not, listen to me, you will not say A times E, B times F, C times G, D times H. No. You must multiply the whole row by the whole column. So A in the first row will multiply by E plus B in the first row will multiply times G. And that's just going to be one answer, one part of the answer, one element. Then you'll do it again. A times F plus B times H. And that's going to be the second element. Then you'll do C times E plus D times G. And that's my third element. Then we'll do C times F plus D times H as my fourth element. And that will be my answer. Obviously, when we use numbers, this will become much easier. But one thing I want to take out of your heads, because this happens in CXC and beyond. Some people look at A squared, so they say, all right, so that's going to be A squared, B squared, C squared, D squared, and that's my answer. No, wrong. It is row by column. So you have to multiply this way. A times E, B times G, that's one number. A times F, B times H, that's the second number. C times E, D times G, that's the third number. C times F, D times H, that's the fourth number. Okay? So it's a very tedious process. Matrix multiplication is probably the hardest section of matrices. And you use it over and over again. Questions?